D.C.'s Attorney General Brian Schwalb has introduced a bill targeting youth crime.
Yeah, so his plan isn't focused on harsher penalties for kids who are committing crime. Instead, he says he's trying to hold the Department of Youth Rehabilitation Services accountable.
Rafael Sanchez-Cruz is here to break down this plan. Rafa, tell us a bit more about it.
Yeah, so D.C.'s Attorney General's office is charged with prosecuting youth crime. Tonight, Attorney General Brian Schwalb says he's taking aim at repeat offenders by making changes at DYRS. That's an agency under Mayor Muriel Bowser's purview.
Carjacking, robbery, gun crimes, homicides.
Tonight, D.C. Attorney General Brian Schwalb says he's taking aim at youth crime with new legislation introduced today.
Recently, we've seen a disturbing trend. More and more young people are committing violent offenses, and they're committing offenses at younger ages.
D.C.'s top lawyer says the agency tasked with detaining and rehabilitating youth charged with certain crimes is not following through with their job.
This is not acceptable.
Schwalb referencing a 2022 independent study conducted by the Criminal Justice Coordinating Council.
Almost every single one of the kids committed to DYRS care gets arrested again. That is not acceptable. Nearly 50% of the kids who are committed to DYRS are subsequently convicted of committing an additional offense.
Under D.C. law, DYRS is required to provide committed youth with a complete treatment plan within 90 days. But the Attorney General says the agency is failing to do that. Schwab's bill, known as the ROAD Act, would require DYRS to create a treatment plan for committed youth within 30 days. It would strengthen the district court's authority to intervene if the agency is not providing appropriate services, and it would establish a permanent independent oversight committee over the agency. The latest DYRS numbers show currently nearly 150 youths are under their supervision. 139 of them are boys. When asked why Schwalb wasn't seeking to increase criminal penalties for youth convicted of violent crime, he said in part,
"We are seeing better outcomes for young people staying out of the criminal justice system through the more shallow end of the pool than the deeper end."
Now, we have reached out to Mayor Muriel Bowser's office to hear her take on this proposal, but we have yet to hear back. Leslie Lorenzo.